Alors, bonjour, good morning once again. I'm back again. So, Unit 1, Unité 1, Lesson 1, Leçon 1, that's Module 1, Leçon 1, Module 1. We talk about what? First thing we talk about was instruction, écoute, et montre, listen, and point at. Écoute, okay? Et répond, listen and respond. Écoute et montre, okay? We learn two things. Écoute, écoute, montre, point at. Second one, écoute again et répond. Répond means to listen. Okay, we're going to talk. Do you understand? So we've done that. If you can't get it, I advise you to go back to the previous video. And here also, activity 4. Fourth activity, we learn a song, how to say good morning to someone. Is that okay? Good. Unité 1, leçon 2. Okay? Unité 1, leçon 2. I advise you to do what? To go and look for numbers, learn how to say number, read and count in French language. Is that okay? I want you to observe this picture very well. Look at it very well. Look at this boy. And if you have your book, if you have this book, Les Loustics, if you have it, just go to Unité 1, Leçon 2, okay? And it is big on your book. I advise you to have the book. If you have the book, it is clear, okay, bigger, so they can make use of your book. Look at it. Yes. Il y a combien de doigts? The question is this. Il y a combien de doigts? Here, let me just try to explain this question for you very well. Why? Because the very first thing I'm interested in is the topic of our module 2, leçon 2. Do you understand? Now, look at it. I'm going to draw something. I'm interested in this word, combien. Combien. Look at it. This word, combien. What does it mean? What do you think it could mean? Combien, what do you think it could mean? Can you just think about it a bit? Look at it, this word, combien. Look at it. Il y a combien de doigts? And this doigt, we can replace it with what? Any other thing. Do you understand? This doigt can be replaced by any other thing. Okay? If you know anything you know in French, you can replace it by it. Okay? You can replace doigt by any other thing. Il y a combien de doigts? Il y a combien de règles? Il y a combien de cahiers? Il y a combien de claviers? Il y a combien de téléphones? Il y a combien de masques? Il y a combien de stylos, etc. Okay? Doigt can be replaced by any other thing. Combien means what? How many? How many? Why? Because we want to count. We want to count some certain number of things. So what you want to count, the object you want to count, the item you want to count is this. We want to know the about of the number is what? Is this. So doer is what we are talking about here. That is the reason why the boy here is trying to count his finger. Okay, he's using his finger to tell us what he has there. So let's go. Il y a combien de doigts? Et là, c'est 0, 1, un doigt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Il y a combien de doigts? So my answer should be Il y a 10 doigts. Il y a 10 doigts. 10 doigts. Okay. While talking, we need to, silence some vowel, some letter. I don't want to say il y a 10 doigts. No, I just say il y a 10 doigts. It's because I'm talking. Is that taken? Good. I want you to watch, to listen to this. Listen to this. Please listen to this. Listen to this. Let's go there. Good. Listen.
Leçon 2. Il y a combien de doigts?
Activité 1. Écoute et mime.
Il y a combien de doigts? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Voilà. Il y a 10 doigts. OK? Il y a 10 doigts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Il y a 10 doigts. D'accord. Now, if I have many rulers, I'm going to ask you, il y a combien de règles? Not doigts longer. Okay? Not doigt again. I'm going to use words. Règle. I want to know number of ruler. Do you understand? Now here, I want to do something. Look at me. I want to clean everything here. Good. I want to clean everything. Anything that is doigt. Okay, here is going to be what? Doigt. And I need to clean it. Yeah, I need to draw now. I need to pick my white color. I'm going to remove doigt. Look at it. Can you see that? I'm removing doigt now. I'm removing doigt. I'm removing doigt. So it's not necessary that we use doigt all the time. If you have to find out a particular object, you just say il y a combien de, you add the item. Il y a combien de règles, il y a combien de téléphones, il y a combien de personnes, il y a combien de filles, how many girls, il y a combien de garçons, how many boys, il y a combien de tables, how many tables, il y a combien de chaises, how many chairs, etc. Is that okay? So if you want to know the number of items, you just say il y a combien de. Is that okay? Il y a combien de. Can you repeat that? Il y a combien de. And don't forget your question mark. So here we're talking about what? Nombre d'objets ici. They're talking about number of items. So you can see that I remove doigt, isn't it? If I want to put something else, I want to put another thing. I don't want to put doigt again. I want to put il y a combien de cahiers. Can you see I'm writing with another thing? Cahier. Don't mind my writing. I have A very bad handwriting here. Look at it. I can replace it with what? Any other thing. Il y a combien de cahiers? My question mark. Bim. Can you see that? Il y a combien de cahiers? Okay. Better. Let me just do this. Let me share my whiteboard with you. Il y a combien de livres? Il y a combien de livres? How many books? Il y a combien de filles? Il y a combien de... So, il y a combien? Il y a combien is the question, okay? Now, let's go back. Have you seen that? Let's go back to our book. So, il y a combien de... You need to count the number of items to find out the number, or the accurate number of the item you have in front of you, or so that you can give your answer. So ici we can say il y a 10 doigts. After counting, il y a 10 doigts. So I want you to count your fingers from 0 to 10 in French. So when I ask you il y a combien de doigts, you tell me il y a 10 doigts. Okay? Now if it happened for me to stop at 10, say 1, 2, 3. Here is what? Il y a combien de doigts? Can you say it in French? You say, il y a 3 doigts. Il y a 3 doigts. Il y a combien de règles? Il y a une règle. You can actually say un, but it is not properly. Okay, I can accept that. But you better say, il y a une règle. Okay? Il y a une règle. Il y a combien de livres? Il y a un livre. Un livre. Combien de cahiers? Il y a un cahier. So that is it. Il y a combien de what? So anything you hear, you find it and you count. Is that okay? If I want to ask you, il y a combien de dents? Yeah, you count the number of teeth you have. Then you tell me in French. Il y a dash dents. Dents is what? Teeth. All right, let's continue with what I want you. This is the activity I just explained this activity now. I want you to listen to it again.
Leçon 2. Il y a combien de doigts?
Activité 1. Écoute et mime.
Il y a combien de doigts? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Voilà, il y a 10 doigts. Merci. Écoute, répète et mime. So activity number 2 is saying, activité numéro 2 nous dit, écoute, répète et mime. Listen, repeat, and mimic. Simple. Okay, always follow the instruction. Écoute et mime. Écoute et mime veut dire listen, repeat, and mimic. Écoute et écoute, répète et mime. Maintenant, on va procéder par écouter, et répéter et mimer. Écoutez bien. Listen again. Listen.
Activité 2. Écoute, répète et mime.
Okay, are you ready to mimic? Let's go.
10,
10,
10,
0,
0,
4,
4,
2,
2. Yes, that's the example I gave you. That's the example I gave you. Now I want you to pay attention for all of this. Is that okay? To pay attention to all of this and do it on your own. Okay. After the example, you continue.
Activité 2. Écoute, répète et mime.
10,
10,
0, 4, 2, 8, 1, 3, 7, 6, 5, 9,
Bravo. I hope you've done that. And I will say, well done to you. Very well done to you. Okay. So we want to play this song, the song that will end today, lesson 2. Is that okay? La leçon qui vient de terminer avec, qui va être terminée avec quoi? La chanson. I want you to listen to the song and learn, okay?
1, 2, 3, je vais dans les bois.
1, 2, 3, je vais dans les bois.
4, 5, 6, cueillir des
Yes.
cerises.
4, 5, 6, cueillir des cerises.
7, 8, 9, dans mon panier neuf.
7, 8, 9, dans mon panier neuf.
10, 11, 12, elles seront toutes rouges.
10, 11, 12. Elles seront toutes rouges.
So, I want you to play this song several times and know the song. Is that okay? All right. Here we come to the end of leçon 2 of what? L'unité 1. Okay. So, enjoy. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.